Okay, good evening. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. Okay, my topic for tonight, it's a random topic this will be algebra, random topic. And the title of my topic for tonight will be addition of fractions. So I will now be showing how to add fractions. It's not only 2, it's not only 3, or it's not only 4. We will be adding 6 fractions. Okay, 6 fractions. Okay, let's proceed. Addition of fractions, evaluate. We are given 6 fractions. 2/3 plus 3/4 plus 1/8 plus 3/5 plus 1/2 plus 1/7. And what will be the equivalent of this one? Okay, I will go ahead and compute for the value of this by using the calculator. Actually, I have taken already the value of this by using the calculator. And the value of this in terms of decimal is 2.7845. If you try to take the summation of this by using the calculator, the answer will be 2.7845. But what I would like is that I will try to show you the solution that it will come out 2.7845, but we must have to combine the fractions by using the so-called butterfly method. Okay, let's try to bring out the solution of this. Since we are given 6 fractions, okay, we cannot use the butterfly method at one time. So what we will do will be try to combine the first 2 pairs by using the butterfly method, and again try to combine this one again by using the butterfly method, and try to combine the third group, this 1/2 plus 1/7, again by using the butterfly method. So actually, instead of finding for the least common denominator, we'll just combine 2 fractions at a time to simplify calculation. I think that's the fastest way to simplify this one. So if we try to take the combination of 2/3 plus 3/4, it will be this. 2/3 plus 3/4, okay, butterfly method. It will be the product of 2 times 4, which is 8. 3 times 3 will be 9. The common denominator will be the product 3 times 4, it is 12. So 2/3 plus 3/4 as a single fraction is 17/12. Okay, so we have simplified this one already. This is 17/12. Next one, we'll combine 1/8 plus 3/5. 1/8 plus 3/5. Again, by using the butterfly method. Because we are combining a fraction with similar terms, right? So the numerator will be the product of 1 times 5, which is 5. And 3 times 8 will be 24. The common denominator will be the product of 8 times 5, which is 40. So the combination of this one, the combined value, will be the sum of 24 plus 5, which is 29/40. Okay? So we got no problem. We have taken already the single equivalent of this. It will be 29/40. Okay? The last one will be 1/2 plus 1/7. 1/2 plus 1/7, again by using the butterfly method. We are adding 2 fractions with different denominator. The numerator will be 1 times 7 will be 7. 2 times 1 will be 2. The resulting denominator will be the product of 2 times 7, this is 14. So this the single equivalent of this one will be 9/14. 7 plus 2 is 9, 2 times 7 will be 14, so this is 9/14. So this one, we have taken the single equivalent as 9/14. So after compressing the 6 fractions into their single equivalent, we got a resulting three fractions now. This should be the sum of 17 over 12 plus 29 over 40 plus 9 over 14. It is this. Right? So we eliminated three fractions, okay? So what do we do now? Again, we'll try to take the single equivalent of this one. And if we try to take the single equivalent, 17 over 12 plus 29 over 40. Again, the numerator will be the product of this one, 680. 12 times 29 will be 348. The denominator will be 12 times 40, which is 480. Taking the summation of this is 1028. This is 480. This is divisible by 4. This is divisible by 4. It will become 257 over 120. So after compressing this two fraction here into a single equivalent, the resulting fraction now will just be simply the single equivalent of this, which is this one here. 257 over 120 plus 9 over 10. Okay? Amen. The resulting fraction now will now only be two fractions. So again, we will use the butterfly method. The product of this will be 3598, and 120 times 9 will be 1080, and the resulting denominator will be 120 times 14, it is 1680. This is not divisible by 4 or divisible by 4, so what we'll do, we'll just use our calculator. 4678 divided by 1680, and the value is 2.7845, same as this one. This is the summation of this one by using the calculator, but in our fractional simplifications, the final answer should be 4678 over 1680, and if we try to take this decimal equivalent of this one, it is 2.7845. This will be our answer. This should be the complete solution by combining two fractions at any given one time. Okay, that's it. I think this is the fastest solution for adding fractions involving 6 fractions. So what is coming out on the short videos, they are just adding or subtracting 2 fractions. Okay, that's an easy one. This one is worse. Okay, good evening from Los Angeles, Professor David J. Telosre.